Hello and good evening, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. This evening, we're doing a walk-around startup and a drive video for you on a 1974 Volkswagen Beetle. Now, this little Beetle is a factory sunroof Beetle, which you don't see too many of those cars. It's got that factory sliding moonroof, sunroof, and it works really, really good. It's 27,000 original miles on it. The car is very, very clean inside and outside, as well as the undercarriage of the car. Very, very nice, very solid. Just a cute little car. Starts up and runs great. I'll start it up here for you in just a second. Interior in the car is very, very nice. Brown and tan seats. Nice little rug in it. Just a super solid little ride. The whole interior is very nice. Cute little car. See, I was underneath this car yesterday, and it is super, super solid. I put a new battery in it this morning, and the battery box, where the battery box goes, isn't rusted out like 90% of them are. It's real clean as well. The glass is all in real good shape. Tires have a lot of tread on them. It's got them fender skirts on it. If I was going to keep it, I'd probably pull them off of it. I think they don't help it at all. Say all the glass in the car is nice. Headlights work, parking light works, signals work. Got a little scuff in the paint right here. Needs to be touched up if you wanted to touch it up. And it's got a little scuff in the door down here in the bottom. Other than that, I mean, the paint and body is real nice on the little car. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect, but it's very, very nice, super clean. And I'm only asking $14,900 for the car. So.
Man, real. No, this is
radio works too.
I know it's not.
You remember the NBA players whenever they would do the
That's
ads,
a real
they
cute little
played
bastard.
it in one word. It was the fakest video. It would be like WNBA exhilarating.
Goes right down the road. Got her going 60 mile an hour. That sunroof's really nice. Put some good air through here. She'll motate right down the road. We're at 70. We're at 75. got her going 75. That's pretty good. There we go. She's a good running little car. Transmission shifts good. Wipers work. The horn's not working. I don't know. Probably got, usually these cars, when the horn don't work, it's probably got the ground wire up on the horn usually gives problems. I've had to fix quite a few of those. So, no big deal. There she is though, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. 74 VW Beetle sunroof. Again, 14.9. Give us a call. 563-452-2450, www.kinionauto.com. Thanks for watching our YouTube videos, and I'll talk to everyone soon.